Aigerim&Stephan first met 14 years ago while they were students and at their dear friend Julia's surprise birthday party.
Stephan, I've never even imagined meeting someone so amazing and so perfect for me until I met you.
Aigerim, I promise to love you always, to always look after you, to always cherish you in the good times and in the bad times. And the time when I really know we were meant to be together was that day when I showed you my boxed up Lego in the morning. And then I left for work for the day, and when I came back in the evening really late, you were still there building it. And you refused to go to bed until Metalbeard's Sea Cow set was complete and ready for display.
I'm very happy that Aigerim met such a wonderful man, Stephan. And when they actually met, he found out that her name was Shukiman, and he thought that it didn't fully reflect her beauty, so he decided to call her Aigerim, which means moon's beauty. And yeah, we just a few seconds ago we saw such a full moon today, very beautiful.
То, как ты боролась за свою жизнь. Спасибо тебе за все возможности, которые ты мне дала в жизни, за твою беззаветную любовь, за то, как ты вообще никогда о себе не думаешь, ты всегда думаешь обо мне. Спасибо тебе огромное.
Action one.